Hi guys, today we'll be looking at a question on the human nervous system and the eye. The ear. Question 2.1. The diagram below shows different parts of the brain and the ear. Question 2.1.1. A. Identify the part. Part A being the upper part of the brain, making it the cerebrum. B. Part B being the part that connects to the spinal cord, making it the medulla oblongata. C. Part H being the part of the ear that connects to the nasal area, making it the eustachian tube. Question 2.1.2. Give the letter and name of the part of the ear that absorbs excess pressure waves from the inner ear. The part of the ear that absorbs excess pressure waves would be part G, which is the round window. Question 2.1.3. Name the receptors found at part E. Part E is the cochlea, which is part of the ear. Therefore, the receptor cells found in this area are the organ of Corti. Question 2.1.4. Explain why damage to part B can lead to instant death. Part B, as we have already determined, is the medulla oblongata. Damage to this part, as part B being the medulla oblongata, controls vital processes such as heartbeat and breathing. Therefore, if this part of the brain is damaged, these processes will stop, leading to instant death. Question 2.1.5. Describe how part C being the cerebellum, the lower part of the brain, responds to impulses received from part D being the semicircular canals of the ear. Impulses will be interpreted in the cerebellum, being part C, that come from part D, the semicircular canals. These impulses will then be sent to skeletal muscles in order to maintain balance. Question 2.1.6. In older people, part F, being the oval window of the ear, may harden. Explain how this condition may lead to hearing loss. If part F, being the oval window, hardens, it will not vibrate freely. Therefore, fewer or no vibrations will be carried to the cochlea, which is in the inner ear. This will cause no pressure waves to form in the inner ear. There will be less or no stimulation of the organ of Corti, allowing fewer or no impulses to be transmitted to the cerebrum, leading to hearing loss. Question 2.2. Describe the accommodation of the eye for distant vision. For distant vision, the ciliary muscles must be relaxed. The ciliary body moves backwards away from the lens. Therefore, the suspensory ligaments are tightened or become taut and tension on the lens is increased. The lens is then less convex and light rays are refracted less. This allows a clear image to fall on the retina. And that's all for this video. Thank you.